In this problem, we'll add whole numbers. We'll add 45,889 plus 17,902. We'll add the ones, then the tens, then the hundreds, then the thousands, and then the 10,000s. We have 9 ones in the first number, 2 ones in the second number. 9 plus 2 is 11 ones. To write 11 ones, we write 1 10 in the tens column and 1 1 in the ones column. To add the tens, we have 1 10 and 8 tens, or 9 tens. To add the hundreds, we add 8 plus 9, which is 17 hundreds. 17 hundreds is 1,000 and 7 hundreds. To add the thousands, we add 1 plus 5 plus 7. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 7 is 13. 13 thousands is 1 10,000 and 3 thousands. And finally, we add the 10,000s. 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 1 is 6, which gives us 6 10,000s. We put a comma to separate the periods, and the sum is 63,791.